Hello dear friends, welcome to our Math Positive channel. We have a very nice trigonometry question today. Solve for x is in between 0 and 2 pi. Sine 2x is equal to cosine x. We will solve this question in two methods. Let's begin with the first one, which is we will use the formula for sine 2x, that is 2 times sine x times cosine x. This is equal to cosine x. Let's have this cosine x in the left hand side and write 2 times sine x times cosine x minus cosine x is equal to 0. And group this. Just take out this cos x and write 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's move whether this cosine x is 0 or this 2 times sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. If cosine x is 0 from our interval, we can say x can be 90 degrees or 270 degrees. So our first two roots are here, pi over 2 and 3 times pi over 2. And from the second one, we will write 2 times sine x is equal to 1 and sine x is equal to 1 half. Again, if we remember the special angles, sine x is 1 half for 30 degrees and 150 degrees, which is 5 times pi over 6. And this is it. We found 4 different values for x angle from our first method. Let's continue with our second method. Remember, our original equation was sine 2x is equal to cosine x. Now if we express our cosine x as sine pi over 2 minus x, remember, if two angles summing up to 90 degrees, then cosine of one is equal to sine of the other one. Now we will have two results from this one. 2x can be equal to pi over 2 minus x plus k times 2 pi. So 3x is equal to pi over 2 plus k times 2 pi, and x is equal to, dividing by 3, x is equal to pi over 6 plus k times 2 pi over 3. This is the general result. Now, giving values to k, we will find our results. K can be 0, then x is pi over 6. K can be 1, then x is pi over 6 plus 2 pi over 3, which is 4 plus 1, 5 pi over 6. And if k is equal to 2, x is equal to pi over 6 plus 2 times 2 pi over 3, so 4 pi over 3, right? So we will have here that this is equal to 8 and 1, 9 pi over 6, which is 3 pi over 2. So we found pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, and 3 pi over 2 from this part, this A part, and we are finishing now. B part is 2x is equal to, my friends, is equal to pi minus this pi over 2 minus x plus k times 2 pi. So this is equal to 2x is equal to pi over 2 plus x and plus k times 2 pi. So 1x is equal to pi over 2 plus k times 2 pi. This is our general result. If we put 0 for k, we will have x is equal to pi over 2. If we put 1 or more numbers, we will be out of the interval wanted. So the only result from this part is x is equal to pi over 2. So we have four values. We have four values. Let's just sum up. First one is pi over 6. The second one is 5 pi over 6. The third one is 3 pi over 2. And the last one here is pi over 2.